Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to download and install HDO Box on your Samsung Smart TV in 2025. If you are trying to stream free movies and shows, this app is a popular choice, but since it's not in the Samsung App Store, we will need a quick workaround. Let's get into it. Before we start, just a quick reminder, always use apps like HDO Box responsibly and consider using a VPN for privacy and protection. Streaming laws vary, but country, so stay informed and safe. First step is HDO Box is not available on the Samsung Smart Hub or App Store because it's an unofficial third-party apps. That means we will have to use a streaming device or screencast and it from another device like an Android phone and Fire Stick or Android TV box. Here you can see this HDO box, Fire Sticks, HDO box for PC and Android TV and iOS. Here, then here you can see this why HDO box is your best choice. Versatile access. HDO box is really easily accessible at home and on the go to HDO box apps on Android TV, for example, always, and easy to use. With our apps you can easily stream and get started with using them almost immediately. And here you can see the information of this HDO box. Size 37.6 MB, latest release April 2009 and 2020 in 2025, and category entertainments, price and download. You can see this how many downloads there, and the easiest way to run HDO Box on your Samsung Smart TV is to install on free stick. Here you can see this, download and Chromecast with Google TV or Android TV box, then plug that into your Samsung TV. Here's how to install it on a free style. Go to settings and here table of contents is the box and benefits of using. Lots of information is given here, and what you can see, download for the free stick version and benefits of using HDO box are given there. All processes are given here, and it's given the picture how to go to settings from the Flickr and my free Fire TV developer options, and here you can see this, and enable turn on apps from unknown source, confirm by selecting turn on. Here you can see this. Install the download apps and go to the search icon on the Fire Stick home screen. Here is the download link and click to get on download this, and all processes are given. Then download HDO Box APK. Here enter the following URL to address bar. Ensure you get the HDO Box apps download link from the safe secure. You can enter. Then once installed you can open it and start streaming right on your TV. All processes are given, so please follow this instruction. And alternative is skin mirror from Android. Don't have a streaming device, you can cast or mirror from your Android phone directly to your Samsung TV. Install HDO Box APK on your phone, then from the trusted source connect your phone and TV to the same Wi-Fi, and on your phone sweep down and tap Smart View or Cast. Select your Samsung TV from the list. New Now your phone screen included HDO box will be mirrored onto your TV. And use a VPN optional, but not is recommended. HDO box streams content from the online sources, so it's smart to use a VPN to hide your IP and protect your activity. Popular VPN like NordVPN, Surf, FakeShake, or ExpressVPN work well on Fire Stick and Android. And the troubleshooting, if the app isn't installing or doesn't open, make sure you have enabled unknown resources and try downloading from a different mirror site. Restart your device, check your internet and connection. Forecasting issue, ensure your phone and TV are on the same network and compatible with screen mirror. That's it. That's how you download and watch HDO Box on a Samsung Smart TV in 2025. Whether you are using a Fire Stick or casting from your phone, you will be streaming in your own time. If this helped and enjoying this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.